No matter where you live, if you want monthly Nvidia stock predictions and AI investing insights, hit that subscribe button now and stay ahead. Let's break down what June and July might hold for NVDA. Will Nvidia's stock keep breaking records in June? Or could we see a surprise dip? Is the AI boom enough to keep pushing shares up? Or are early signs of a slowdown appearing? And what key events could make or break Nvidia's stock before the big August earnings? Stay with me, because short-term trends can hide big clues about where the world's top AI stock is really heading. Nvidia closed May with its share price up nearly 10% month over month, driven by unstoppable AI demand. As of early June, NVDA is trading around $157 to $160, holding near record highs. The driving force? Its GPUs still dominate AI workloads, data centers, sovereign AI programs, and the new Blackwell platform is creating buzz in both the US and China. Analysts are calling Nvidia the engine of the AI revolution, and for good reason. But is this rally bulletproof? Let's look closer. One reason bulls remain confident is continued supply chain strength. Recent data shows strong demand for high bandwidth memory, essential for Nvidia's top chips, is outpacing supply. Major partners like Micron have reported record sales of HBM, which directly fuels Nvidia's revenue outlook. Also, many hedge funds believe Nvidia's upcoming second quarter earnings, due in August, could smash forecasts again, driving more institutional buying through June and July. So, short-term momentum looks solid. But there's a flip side too. First, insider selling is back in headlines, with CEO Jensen Huang's planned stock sales topping $20 million last month. Also, the broader market is jittery about interest rates, Fed signals, and geopolitical risks. Any surprise restrictions on advanced GPU exports to China could spook investors and cause a sharp dip. Another risk? Profit-taking. Many traders who rode Nvidia up from the April lows may cash out if they sense resistance near $160 to $165. So, if you're trading short-term, watch for sudden reversals. Most top Wall Street analysts remain bullish for June and July. Loop Capital recently raised its price target to $250, a very bullish call that implies a market cap well above $6 trillion by 2026. More conservative analysts, like Mizuho and Stifel, are targeting $180 to $200 over the next 3 months, assuming AI spending remains red hot. However, short-term traders should watch the $150 to $153 support zone closely. If that breaks, it could trigger more selling before earnings season ramps up. The real game changer will be Nvidia's August earnings report. Investors expect another blockbuster quarter, especially if cloud spending and sovereign AI orders keep growing. If Nvidia beats expectations again, we could see another leg up through late July into early August. But any hint of slowing demand or tighter export restrictions could flip the script fast. So, the smart play for traders? Follow the data, not the hype. For long-term investors, the story remains solid, even with short-term bumps. Nvidia's dominance in AI chips, custom architectures, humanoid robotics, and its expanding software ecosystem give it huge staying power. Over the next 12 to 24 months, analysts see AI spending hitting $2 trillion, with Nvidia capturing a giant share. So for long-term holders, dips are still being seen as buying opportunities. But timing matters, so keep an eye on how the stock reacts to news in June and July. Here's my honest take. If you're short-term trading, watch for breakouts above $160 to $165, and watch that $150 floor. If you're a long-term believer, don't panic if you see volatility. It's normal when a stock runs up this fast. And remember, the real catalyst is the August earnings report. Big surprises could push Nvidia to new highs, or cause a sharp correction if demand disappoints. So, will Nvidia keep climbing, or is a pullback coming? Are you buying, holding, or waiting for a dip? Drop your prediction in the comments. And if you want these monthly Nvidia updates first, subscribe now, hit like, and stay ahead of the market. See you in the next one.